Waking up this morning, you did see some rain showers move on through, especially to our south and to our west along I-55 and near places like Costco and Louisville. Right now, we're still seeing some rain down to our south. Clear in most of northeast Mississippi, just some cloud cover, but we can't rule out rain chances for the rest of today. It's been a washout all week, and we have wet conditions still heading our way for the rest of this week. So for our week ahead, wet weather will continue, staying soggy and damp here in northeast Mississippi. Friday, we have a cold front that will move on through, bringing us some cooler temperatures, chilly temperatures even, moving out for the rest of this weekend on into the next work week. But right now here in Starkville and to Noble Field, you can see those overcast skies right now. Temperatures are still pretty mild in the low 50s, 52 degrees right now in Starkville. So feeling cooler, overcast as well. Dew points are high with all that rain we saw this morning, and temperatures across the board in that same low 50 range. Cooler a bit in Fulton, still in the low 40s, but this is basically what we're going to stay at all day for today. Temperatures are going to stay rather mild in those mid 50s with continuing rain chances. Should be clearer with no more rain chances for us throughout the rest of the evening by 3 o'clock, but still temperatures in those low to mid 50s, 55 by 3 o'clock, only 53 by 6 with still continued cloud cover. So we're going to stay relatively mild and still soggy and wet. Rain totals over the past 24 hours in those about a half an inch range here in Starkville, about 4/10 of an inch. Still pretty mild, but we're going to have rain continuing throughout the rest of this weekend, and we'll map that out for you here right now. So what's the big picture look like? Throughout the rest of today, you can see that cloud cover continuing. We do have snow even developing up to our north, so lots of cold air up to our north that will influence us with that cold front moving on through. This is at 6 o'clock on Friday morning. You can see that cold front right here with those rain showers associated with that as well. That's going to be the main factor for Friday moving on into the weekend. Should clear out and stay dry for the rest of Friday on into the evening. Into Saturday, clearer skies, but with all that cold air to our north will keep us cooler. Let's take a closer look and see just how that rain will influence us coming up on Friday. So still overcast for today in throughout the evening. By the overnight hours around 1 o'clock, we start to see bits of showers up near Pontotoc and Tupelo in Lee County, but then as we move further in through the morning, more rain showers, heavier, more widespread across the area. Hopefully everyone is still in bed if this rain starts to move on throughout the morning. By 4 a.m. we'll be towards the eastern half of our area with more heavy downpours in some isolated areas, but just widespread throughout the morning, staying wet even into the early morning afternoon hours. Starting to see some clouds by noon and clearing out, thankfully, for us on Saturday. With those clear skies, though, we will stay cooler, but for tonight, still relatively mild. 58 degrees for our temperature for today. Partly cloudy with those continued rain chances. Tonight, same deal. 49, a bit cooler with continued chilly and wet conditions. Widespread showers moving into that cold front tomorrow. Continued rain, mostly cloudy with rain showers. 52 for our high for tomorrow. And moving on into the 7-day, we see that sun come back for us on Saturday, but with still very chilly conditions, 48 degrees, so the coolest day, even though we see the sun. But overall, a general washout for us here throughout the next work week. Rain continues, more rain on Sunday with some peaks of cloud possible, but low temperatures will be dipping down at the freezing mark for us over the weekend, warming it back up a bit with seeing more sun for us coming on Wednesday.